ChatswoodGreens, Hans. We're just awaiting next week the concreters, and they will work here in this section between 10 and 4. So it will impact parking, and there should be no parking in the cul-de-sac anyway. And it impacts house 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So at that time, please make sure that we're giving access to the concreter car, which are coming with big. He's coming with a big tonnage, and yep, okay. And it will take probably a few days, and it needs to get hard and so that we can drive on it. Okay, if there's any questions, just give me a call, Hans.